I'm grateful to be here tonight to represent the Small Business Committee and give the Chamber's Small Business of the Year Award. This Small Business of the Year Award program recognizes those small businesses who have demonstrated exemplary achievement in the areas of business performance, innovation, customer service, human resources, and community involvement. This year's honoree is unmatched in all of these categories. Beginning last year, we expanded the scope of this award by joining forces with the Business Council of Alabama so that our award is a qualifying award for their statewide Small Business Award and potentially eligible to move on to the U.S. Chamber of Commerce Business of the Year competition. We had more nominations this year than ever before. And I want to recognize the finalists for this honor and ask them to please stand. Our finalists in alphabetical order are Cosmos Restaurant, Island Air Conditioning and Heating, Kitty's Cafe, Suncoast Beach Service, Sunny 105. Thank you for giving all these companies a big round of applause. And now it's time, and it gives me great pleasure to recognize this year's winner. This company that started as a two-person firm by a hard-working young couple has grown to over 25 employees. Their growth has been phenomenal, expanding outside of their original location in Orange Beach to Gulf Shores and the Eastern Shore. From a customer service standpoint, every employee is engaged in the customer's needs, drawing from their extensive product knowledge, environmental awareness, and passion for people. This philosophy is taught and led by this couple. As for innovation, these two stand true to their environmental and customer-based values by integrating cutting-edge, efficient products and services into our local market while helping their customers take advantage of monthly energy savings and tax credits, resulting in less environmental impact. They also enjoy a well-earned reputation for the way that they take care of their employees, who are, quote, their chosen family. The company is an exemplary role model for community service, taking leadership roles in their church, Share the Beach, LA Running, and even created an award-winning barbecue team to raise money for education. These two represent everything that this award is designed to recognize: leadership, innovation, customer service, growth, and devotion, not just to a small portion of our community, but every aspect of our community. Please join me in congratulating the 2016 Small Business of the Year, Island Air Conditioning and Heating. Rob and Jenny Barnes, please come forward to accept this award.
Rob and Jenny Barnes started a program several years ago to feed needy people during the holidays. This program has served thousands of our citizens over the years. They are also involved in numerous organizations to promote and protect our environment, our coast, and our furry animal friends.